In this quick video we are looking at one of my favourite ever things. It is the Brother P-Touch label maker. Now not only do I love it, my kids love it, my friends love it, and before you know it you'll have labels on absolutely everything. Now the great thing about this is you can change the length of the label, you can change the margins, you can have decorative text, you can change the fonts, you can change the weight of the fonts, you have various different fonts. You really can edit it to get it exactly looking how you want it. You've got a nice tactile touchpad, so all you do is type in like you would on a keyboard exactly what you want to put. Press that, click OK, and then it does its thing. Push that and that cuts it, and there you go. You have your label on the back of it. You can just peel it and then you can stick it to stuff. You can buy different colour rolls of label that go into it, so you can have different colour labels. And that is the Brother P-Touch label maker. Thanks for watching.